once again. I've started.
So hello guys. So this Vincent from Star Computers. I will tell you the details more. So as you can see, sometimes when some customers come to buy a new laptop, they will be like, how am I sure that this is original? How am I sure that this laptop hasn't been opened before? So I will give you details on how to know that your laptop has not been opened and has not been on. So as you can see, this is a brand new ASUS laptop. This is a brand new ASUS 15-inch Core i3 laptop, as you can call it X515J. That is the model number. So this is a new laptop and it hasn't been opened before. As you can see the details, everything is sealed, everything is tight, clean. So I'm going to unbox it for you. A customer just got this one and I'm going to unbox it for you to see how it is inside. So in case you want to get, they won't cheat you. As you can see, I'm coming. Let me get something. So this now, in the process of unboxing, you might need a razor blade to open the seal. So some people might remove it from here, but I will use a razor blade to show you. So I've opened it. As you can see, this is the first time it's being opened. So as you can see the laptop, as you can see the details, you see the covering inside. So anytime you get a ASUS laptop and it's not covered like this, be sure to check the dealer. As you can see, this is it. As you can see, the laptop is bluntly covered that you can't see what is inside unless it's open. So let's go. As you can see, this though the ASUS, you might be surprised that this comes in silver color. I'm sure some of you might have gotten black, purple, pink, yellow. So they comes in different color and different shape, different size. So this is a silver one. This is a Core i3 1TB 4GB. So as you can see it, you see most of the time you might get your laptop, when you open it, it's just open, you won't see this thing inside. So this thing is also a sign that it's a brand new laptop. It protects the keyboard from destroying the screen. So as you can see, make sure when you get your laptop, make sure you look at the details like the Core i3. If it's Core i3, you will see Core i3, you will see Core i5, you will see Core i7. That depends on the laptop you bought. And some laptops come with different display here. The display here might vary. Some might show battery, some might show SSD, some might show RAM. So the display might vary. As you can see, this is a brand new laptop. Though the customer said I shouldn't on it, but I just want to unbox it for you, my fans, so that you understand how it looks like. And you also see again, this is the carton. So when you get your laptop, you will be sure there is going to be a charger inside. As you can see, when you open it, you see how the charger is. So if your charger isn't covered like this, especially an ASUS product, if your charger isn't covered like this, be sure to check where you are buying to be sure you are not buying fake or refurbished. You can also see the mouth of the charger. You can see it's covered. So this cover is going to help you also be sure that it's original. So I'm not going to open it here because the customer told me not to open. I'm just looking for trouble. So when you get your laptop, you will peel out this nylon, you will plug the charger here and plug it to your laptop, and this goes to light. So one more, to also be sure, when you open everything, you will see the manual. This manual shows you that is a direct HP with 1 year warranty product. As you can see, the manual is direct ASUS, I'm sorry. So as you can see, this unboxing now will make you to be sure that when you unbox your laptop like this, you'll be sure that it's original. Thank you and subscribe for more.